Oh my gosh, I was just getting ready to leave and start pulling down this road. That's where I was looking at before. And then I started heading out saying, yeah, it's not gonna work out because there's no place to put a tent, it's all gravelly. But then well, here's Long Ridge Trailhead. I'm going to see if this spot will work for tonight. So I'll head on back and let you guys know how it is. Again, this only opened from closed from mid-December to mid-April. Finally at the Long Ridge Trailhead. Well, hey, I'm at this spot. Kind of went off this road by that Long Ridge Trailhead. There's a campfire here. I could put my tent up in this area. I'd be completely by myself. Kind of gravelly, but I could put my tent here. These are trails around here, so you can't camp on that. Someone would have to drive all the way back here. Very nice campfire. These are just more trails that go back. I don't know, what do you think? my gosh, I was just getting ready to leave and start pulling down this road. That's where I was looking at before. And then I started heading out saying, yeah, it's not gonna work out because there's no place to put a tent, it's all gravelly. But then as I was driving by, all I have to do is go down that dip there. But look at this spot. No widowmakers, no widowmakers, and look at this. Look at this. It's got a nice rock fireplace, campfire setup, a great place for my tent. Look at this. Goes off to a ledge. Whoa. Don't want to slip and fall. Look at that down there. Oh my gosh. This is it, the most beautiful spot I've been in. So this is it. I'm gonna pull in here and get things set up, you guys. I've never been so excited in my life. This is the #1 camping place I have found yet. And look at this, this is cliff drops off. Unbelievable, unbelievable. All right, well, I'm gonna get going and get set up. Put it 4-wheel drive really. So here's where I parked my Jeep. I mean, is that the coolest spot you've ever seen? No, I'm really, if you can tell, I'm real excited about this. And I'm virtually 100% nobody within miles of me. And you'll see that drone footage. Maybe you saw that at the beginning, or I don't know where I'll put it, but I took it right 100 yards away, took it up in the sky and twirled it around. Nothing but woods and forest. Wayne National Forest, to be exact, people. So, time for me to get everything set up. Well, I got the tent set up. Got my firewood laid out. Getting kind of dark out. Camera's done a pretty good job. But again, I'm in my most epic campsite ever, away from everybody. You know, this type of campsite can get kind of scary, especially if you haven't done this enough. And I'm, you know, preparing to go out west and do all these things out in Idaho and Utah and in the Rocky Mountains and travel and camp by myself and overland. And so this will be a perfect test. It's like one of those shows like Lifestyle Overland or Venture 4-Wheel Drive, just like it. And that's why I'm so excited, you guys. So I'm gonna get finished setting up. I just wanted you to see it again one more time before it got dark. The leaves are beautiful, golden yellow. It's just a great, great evening. So maybe I'll see you once I get the fire started and get the rest of camp set up. Well, you got to stay hydrated, right, during this time. It's still warm. This is the day that it's in the high 70s right now. It's probably in the low 70s where I'm at. Oh wow, that sunset's beautiful. It's golden over there. It's still dark, but you can still see through the trees. I'm definitely going to drink a lot of water and prep myself for dinner. Might as well put in what I need. Those Mountain House meals got a little, they got smaller since they changed their packaging. Like no one noticed that. I did. I planned this to be a real easy trip. No pots and pans, just boiling water and doing the Mountain House meals just so it can be in and out quick. So I can head home tomorrow. And so that's why I did it this way, just make it easy. And so I can get home but enjoy my favorite camping spot of all time. It's funny, all these nuts are dropping, like walnuts and hickories, I guess, maybe. Hickory nuts, I don't know. But that might keep me awake some tonight, we'll see. Since this is a new environment, it'll take me a little while to get used to it. So, boy, I'd love to spend 2 days up here one time. Yeah, hopefully you can see me. So what I did is I took some fat wood, which you can see, and shaved it. That's how I'm gonna light my fire tonight. I'm not gonna do the steel, I'm gonna use a match. It's just such a beautiful night. I wanna get this done. It's getting late. just a quick overnighter, nothing special. So I'm gonna get this lit. This stuff should just burn like crazy. And hopefully that'll start my fire. That's how fat wood works. Look at that. That's awesome. Well, I never get the right amount of water in Mountain House. They should put a line on there just like they do with the oatmeal, right? Fill up that line. But anyways, I had to pour it in kind of this plate bowl. Maybe it'll kind of steam and get a little thicker. But I'm going to enjoy this and sit by the fire. Well, good morning. It's about 7:30. And sun's coming up. I got a little 2 pieces of wood fire going, just a small little fire. So I can make sure I have enough water to put it out before I leave. And you know, just the view this morning. What a great campsite this is. I really had to admit this is my favorite campsite of all time right now. Especially the weather. Got down in the low 50s last night and it's fall. The leaves are beautiful. Pour some coffee. Today I'm having instant coffee. This is supposed to be an easy trip, and it has been. Although I wish I would have brought some real coffee, but I'll use these Starbucks packets. As you can see with the campfire, I make that ring outside of the stone wall just so for any sparks there won't be any spread of the fire. You have one of these solar batteries that you can charge up, kind of folds up like that, which is nice, and you unfold it and automatically starts charging it once the sun hits it. So definitely recommend if you're overlanding